Our home was almost completely destroyed by a devastating house fire, but after 7 months of demo and rebuilding, we are now ready for flooring. We received Malibu Wide Plank Engineered Hardwood floors in the color Lombard for our kitchen and living room space. These water-resistant click-lock 100% hardwood floors are the perfect addition for our home. We began by laying out our underlayment, and we will be doing a floating installation. We pre-laid out the boards to ensure an even display of coloring and pattern, making sure to grab from different boxes for each row. Because we don't have perfectly straight walls, we want to follow the laser level rather than following the line of the wall. We left an 1/8 of an inch gap between the flooring and the wall of our first row to allow for expansion. We did click in our second row, and when we got to the end of the row, we measured and marked and cut the plank with a jigsaw. We used a tapping bar and mallet just to click and lock them into place, and then we slid these rows up against the wall, leaving that 1/8 of an inch, and then we used an air nailer to secure the first row in place, and then we continued on with the floating installation. When you place your boards at a 45-degree angle and slide them in, the click and lock is super easy to install. I was worried about putting hardwood floors into the kitchen space, bringing them through the living room. I don't have to worry about that because these floors from Malibu Wide Plank are water resistant, so I can get one cohesive floor throughout both spaces, making this room feel so large, so bright, and so airy. I am not going to lie, the thought of doing hardwood floor has always intimidated me, and I love DIY projects, but I want to dive in and tackle this head on, and I was so surprised at how easy doing this click and lock hardwood flooring actually was. I had a little bit of help from some talented family members, but once I got on a roll sliding in the boards, doing the click and lock, it really was so easy. We couldn't be happier with these floors. After laying these beautiful floors in our kitchen and living room space, we knew we wanted to seamlessly coordinate the main floor with our basement, and that is totally possible with Malibu Wide Plank's luxury vinyl plank. Because we had our fire, the basement is a blank slate ready to go. Because our subfloor is concrete in the basement and can contain moisture, we went with a 6 mil poly underlayment in our installation to act as a moisture barrier. In this way, we are fully protected from having any moisture cause damage to our beautiful planks. We placed our floor spacers in place, and then we used their simple click and lock system just like we did upstairs in the kitchen and living room. When you need to make a cut, all you have to do is make your mark, score it with an X-Acto knife 3 times, flip the board over, and then snap it. It breaks that easy. You don't even need to use a saw. What I really love most about these Malibu Wide Plank floors is their super easy install. And I love that I can create the same cohesive look down here in the basement as I did upstairs. The same beautiful Lombard color is available in their engineered hardwood floor as well as their luxury vinyl plank. These wide plank boards are a beautiful fit for any space. These luxury vinyl plank floors actually look like real hardwood as well. You don't have to sacrifice a beautiful look because you can have both engineered hardwood and vinyl plank in the same coloring in your home. Malibu Wide Plank has made it so easy to coordinate different spaces. They offer a variety of coordinating colors, so you are sure to find one to suit your home and style. All I was hoping for these 2 spaces was beautiful cohesion, and that was made possible with Malibu Wide Plank's luxury vinyl plank and engineered hardwood flooring in the same color shades.